Good morning! Hello! Maddie! Hello, you have two iPads there. Huh? You have two iPads. Hello. Why? You want breakfast? Why are you so cute? Yuki, why are you here? She said, go down. Yeah, tell to him, go down, please. Uh-oh. Come on, let's eat breakfast. Let's eat breakfast. We'll bring your iPad. Oops, oopsie. Can I have a hug? Can I have a hug? Oh, how can I carry you? You will not give me hug? Oh. Yuki, down. Down. My little bus. Okay, go down. Slowly. Careful. Yeah. Careful, Maddie. Yeah, sit. Maddie said sit. Yuki. Yuki, sit. Yeah. He's playing. See? Yeah. Oh, come on. Sit on your chair. Come. Oh, come. Sit on your chair. Come. Yes. Sit on your chair. So, I will prepare your breakfast. Let's wipe this. Have a nice day po to all. She don't want.